Some guys have a little sunshine in their eyes, and I like it always the way you say you go You're looking kind of lonely, girl. Would you like someone you can talk to? Yes, yeah. I'm feeling kind of lonely too. If you don't mind, can I sit down here beside you? Yes, hey. I'd like to get to know you better. Is there a place where we can go so we can be alone together? Turn the lights down low. Would you mind sharing the night together? Yeah, sharing the night together. There's something in your eyes, baby, telling me you want me, baby. Tonight is your night. You don't have to ask for nothing. I give you everything you need. So girl, don't be shy. Ooh, baby, come inside. Turn off the light. There is something that I want from you right now. Give me that honey love. Give me that honey love. Yeah. Give me that honey love. Give me that sweet, sweet love. My baby and I are back together again. Loving is better than it's ever been. If it weren't for the trials we've been through, I'd never have the courage to come back to you. We're all entitled to make a mistake. We've got to prepare for some heartbreak. I was learning my man while I was learning my man. Something you young girls must understand. No pain, no pain, no gain. Love, no pain, no pain, no gain. Not only a cook in the kitchen, but a lady in the street. You can't show your teeth to every guy you meet. It's alright to be a little sweet, but be the mother with the kids, and you know what it means. No pain, no pain, no gain. Love, no pain, no Last night I dreamt of Susanna. She said to me, boy, your written song is true. Filled with the love of the rain. We are the only soul. She always had a dream, just like the things kiss how the world can ring low. Say, hey, don't you know we love you, sweet? Say, ain't no one above you, sweet. Say, living in the past. Sometimes it seems somebody ain't got no money to turn my life. Tell me why you wanna break my heart, baby. Can't you see we'll never part? Girl, I love you from my heart. I pray this love will never end. Girl, I love you. Tell me if it's something I've done wrong. I want this love to be so strong. Girl, I've missed the love. Oh, and what will I do without you in my life? The whole life. Oh, and what will I do without you in my life? The whole life. Oh, Stella. What I need from you is understanding. I feel it communicate. If you don't hear what I say, oh baby, what I need from you is understanding. So simple as 1, 2, 3. Understanding is rocking you. You don't really know. You just wanna do what you wanna do. It's not the way it should be. No, you shouldn't listen to me. Oh, girl. I tried so very hard to make you understand. But the choices you made, baby, you're all the name. I tried so very hard to keep alive, but you don't wanna meet me halfway. You don't understand, girl. There's no way that we can work it out if we don't pull together. I don't mean to be the man, just need to understand me. I wanna be with you. What I need from you is understanding. I don't want to live that way. You don't know what I'm saying. Be dreaming, making, or am I real life now with you? Baby, you take me in your arms. You know I'm wide awake. I know my dream is coming true. Just only again. Just one chance and then it happens every time. Gonna know. Just only again. When I can't help myself from falling in love with you. Can't help myself from falling in love
So I no thought that I want to
we, and baby, just believe one day that I will go through. Inside, don't wanna take it out on you. One day, don't take it personal. Wanna be all alone, and you think I treat you wrong. Don't take it
Welcome, welcome, my beautiful people.
If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, you know, do it that way. I love living this way. I love living this way. Across the morning, the city heart begins to beat. Reaching out, you touch your shoulder, dreaming of the sea. When they say
We drop some music for the people.
it's a blessing, you can have a time. No matter what they say, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh, you can never hold on. Give me Jaja, give me Jaja, you can never hold my girl. Give me
Bless upon
Jaja,
yourself,
give
man.
me
Thanks and
Jaja.
praise. We are another day now in the kitchen, doing what we do best.
You can have the riches of the diamonds. You can have all
We give
the
thanks for the
pretty
support, you know,
girls
all the
in
time.
this world.
And they say each one help one, you know.
I'm never gonna leave you.
So we really kind
No
of give thanks for the
matter
support.
what they do, what never gonna get you.
I'm not going to tell you something like that, Joe. Don't
And
get me
you're
wrong.
welcome to Johnny channel.
I have something when you do a straight up here like said, don't get lost in the system, yeah?
Just start with a chance where people can talk about me like that. It's still malicious like branches upon the people. You see the dirty lifestyle, the rest of them memories. There's nothing in them system of which they create all around. They criticize their own ideas. They won't catch us. If they were to drown, they'll not be coming from those scrolls and policies that come around. Skylarks in the streets, flares in the towns. They never do positive. They find a joy making people business that won't happen.
What's the voltage, yeah?
Before you dance on your own, please stay in the time in the phone. Then I'm gonna get good eyes, true eyes, good eyes, young catch, coffee and good eyes, it give you long days. Now I cannot run from nothing to face, but get good eyes, girls, the bars are young catch, coffee and some good eyes, it give you long days. Oh, when you decide, I tell you now, may I wait your don't fall, give you one time.
Oh, Chris, this is a classic. Oh, it's a promotion, I know. Rasta believe is a foundation Rasta man who believe in old thing. And I am balance, so we say, yo, bring blah, blah, blah. Then they say, no, and that's what the thing say. So, the part of singing we play for the next 30 minutes, just and Tina's there. We are dedicated to all the people who know, say, in themselves, they know, so not clean. And Billy said to another barrage, you know, last year they were there, but it's not here, I want you to deal with the thing proper. But Billy, with all respect, this one. A Christmas sunset, you know. Big up our tree now tonight. Hey, Ray, man, big up for that. Rich and the popular, big up. He's a calling. I'm coming from with a candy cup family in that place, big up. Give me strength, face another day. Carry on right now. Carry on right now. Give me strength, don't have to. Get crazy. Be a party or not.
Wow, big up yourself, Flaky Cross, big up yourself.
All the girlfriends.
See the video today was lovely. Nice.
Oh, the set. The
Set up.
We don't know what the man's in like place.
But it's nice as well, so yeah.
Yeah, me know.
Good job.
Go on, you know. We have to give thanks and praise no matter what. Father Billy, original Rasta Billy. Respect, because I say nice and I to us.
Oh, Father, we want to Zion. Your voice so jump today, okay?
All the real party people who be a party, big up yourself.
Thank you for all that you've
No
done.
matter how much party a party,
Oh, yeah, yeah. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
inside.
They give me to lie in green grass.
Oh, them last. Again.
Oh, Father, we want to Zion. Your voice so jump today, okay? And accept your thanksgiving. Father, we thank you for all that you've done and for what you're doing now. Oh, yeah. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. They give me to lie in green pastures. Lead me beside the still water.
Let's do it, man. Yeah, we see I come out with some new patties. Want some of them new patties that we are talking about. Them sound nice. Raw now, white man. Big up yourself, Cardi, you know, big up yourself.
Little children love you well. With only wondrous days you tell. Love to watch you go and go. In the times that heaven blow.
Is it tonight?
Yeah, oh,
Soon the party at the shadow of them. Be a party man about to come and come and do the voice. Listen, come support the party here. Be a part of people who knows you come on the party and your heart clean. You don't have nothing against somebody about you. That's what about.
all ye enemies of Jah, know that the Lord God Jah the Almighty shall rule the earth. Jah, Rastafari.
Oh, Billy!
Don't let God arise, let his enemies be scattered. Let them all say hate him completely before him. Smite his given still. All ye enemies of Jah, know that the Lord God Jah the Almighty shall rule the earth.
Son of management. Rubbing on and do me downstairs. Rubbing on and do me downstairs.
Oh, let God arise, let his enemies be scattered. Let them all say that hate him completely before him. As smoke is driven away, so drive them away. What's melted before the fire, so that the wicked shall steal from God. Oh, let the righteous be glad. Let them rejoice before God.
energy. One up next to no Jazzy Genius. Big up. Sexy man rose, big up my party, yeah? Rest family, Lennon Tonga there, honey, Portland, Sasha come with the moon and them with a lightning ball, you're gonna have it all, you're gonna have it at all, we'll find this a breakfast and fun, you're gonna have it all, you're gonna have it at a party and I'm gonna drink out, you know. I know the rest of the day, the rhythm art and so. We're not getting frightened, we're not getting scared, let's go look there. Someone get 44 years around the battle, so we understand the thing. Look at it.
Three jerks, large, two large, one small. Two large, one small.
Right when I said me, rocket pipe, you know, you know what I'm saying? If it's not that we make you not find us this, I don't bring them the kingdom, but you gonna have it all. We're gonna have it at all. Touching my brimstone, I know. Michelle Town family, big up my place, yes, look at family. I'll talk the process of doing. Alright, good. And some dirty and people in the party, I say. Every year they keep the party, stole up the party. But some people come them dirty mind and them dirty heart, they say. I used to sleep at night. I'm not sleep, I'm not getting this one. Keep it real. I'm not sleep. Before they see God, they see the truth. That's why they're all so. Who take it as a gift and not the devil. Funding this world will become the devil. And the great public on 24/7. I'm the one that's the man that will be out on the head. I'm on the sunshine.
Big up yourself, Stace. Big up yourself.
Partner Richie.
Big up yourself.
All of the pin family in that place. Big up yourself. Respect up there.
Islamic, big up yourself. Thanks for the top, Stace. Thanks for the top. I'm not big devil.
That's why Jaja, I'm everything. Jaja, Jaja. Yeah, some man don't believe in the Almighty, you know. I'm going to have a problem.
Beverly, big up yourself. Jaja.
We are blessed on the place first, guys. We are getting rid of the evil in them. Let's remind people what that Jesse, we're going to party later, you have money for you. Yeah, but easy thing, walk over, back up and catch, don't you? Run it again, no genius.
Seems like they've been wasted, eh?
Out there, party promoter in that place, you know, Sunday night, I'm up. Early morning, soon up in Ireland.
Yes, always been the rest, there's no right.
I don't want to let us like a set here, so.
Jesus the best. I'm the best, I'm the best. Check this shit, African friends. Oh, I'm in the mess. Living is a mess. And I'm not the rise up. Alleviate the stress. No matter we like. Expose my weakness. Losing knowledge begins the dominance. Won't ever do that we get shopping readiness.
I'm watching them payment maker, and I put that and say, wow.
Yahweh, I'm Prince, I'm Princess. Till I'm laid to rest. Yes, I'm ready to press. There's no life in the west.
I never live in the place. Let me know. God, I'm really one more time, that's something bigger. And the people who turn out from early out on the party, I don't say tonight, are rich. You see me, I say, not saying no later on, down on the walls and the book map and up in the sky and everything like. But I make sure me done soon up on the party, I know you to hear with there, so. Billy, and the whole family will also big up with that themselves. But right now, Chinos, let me know, take it back to the retro style, you know. That's what we think so. Big people in that place, and they are same way. Take out family. I was 6 of the man them over in that place. Big up. Alright, this is that party I've been in a retro. Father Taylor and Father Dave, Father Blacks. New York. Michael, all year to years. Same way. Walk to the batteries and mention the family that blessing. I watch the king sing with. Where the man to stand. Feel free. Be a part of the woman over there to that to read that the man here. Trying to find a good man too. Who you are. Listen now. Ready. All 16 up the lakeside. This is tomorrow. Eatside. Where's the remote for the Kalwa to the 5 mountain notes? This is so that's the high I know I'm big people say what up on right now, don't you? Rasta belly, pick up. Outspoken away yourself from there. Yeah, man, based on work until moments of life, so look around up there. What's up with my man like Peter Jenny? Out of London, and then I play spin up in them. Rock it back, go let that drum. Play up a party. Yeah, love is only Well, alright. Picasso.
You made the wanderer like me.
Saxon. Give it a song.
The one I'm supposed to be. Stood beside me, yeah. Right or wrong. Erase my weakness and make me strong. Now I'm gonna love you my whole life too. 'Cause no one ever does the things you
So your love is amazing. What's right now?
Something's on my mind. I got to tell everyone, even the man and a woman. Up today,
So listen,
yeah,
one side. Listen tonight. I'll be the boss, gonna put on to the early Sunday. Once in a mistake, come on, like copy, the way I said, big up to them. One of the years, the original. Portland Catching family. So in the meantime,
something's on my mind. I got to tell everyone, even the man and a woman. Up today,
hear what I say.
you must behave yourself. Remember what the Father said. You must obey
Moving,
every way. Every way.
sure.
Every way.
All's last guy. All them say you got recipients in the Mungo sign. So the man know that be almighty. And that's a good winner. Be a patron, not him. Do you hear me?
Isn't it strange how things
Pull up. All that. You know what I'm Sick it. You know what I'm You know, I work on all these things. I know you're going early and all these things. And I've been driving all these things. And well, if a girl I wait for me and all these things. So, you know me, I set my things and all these things. So, Jesus, man, I pray some early. Respect the youth and there. Shirley and all these things. So, you know. Jesus, you know. No, my part. You gotta give it extra. You gotta give it extra. Please, Margie, big up yourself. You understand? Reaching out the foundation. But that's still a big up yourself, you know what I mean?
Welcome to Jadi Bingidi channel. See, you're live at Jamaican Delight Restaurant. See, situated in the east of England, a place called Peterborough. And we give thanks to the support. This is what we do every day. So every day, every Tuesday to Thursday, from the hours of 4:30 till 9 o'clock p.m. you can join the live. And from Friday to Saturday at 4:30 till 10 o'clock, you can join the live every day.
You got the whole promotion team, Father Billy, big up yourself. You got the whole Clarendon team. You know what I'm saying? They was from the come from to start big up themselves. You know what I mean? Right now, you don't know over there, you know, you don't know a red shop party, so we do it every year, you know. We don't have nowhere to go. You understand? And the world sound and play right now, you don't know, make sure be that the earth here sound there.
Do remember, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and share and give it a little like. I will try to build the platform. That's it. Enough respect, yeah?
You don't know what I'm looking for proof, you understand? Thanks come to God.
And all who up on TikTok, your favorite supporters, do remember when you can check out the channel Jadi Bingidi on YouTube and you know, give you a little strength and a little support. See? Alright.
What is the Barry First I ever
Big up
played
on
this song,
yourself,
no?
yeah? Come on, big up on yourself.
Isn't it strange how princesses and kings encountered papers in Star Street? Just why do people like you and me when we live?
So they said,
She's in the battle, shameless mask, and the book of
Irish! Well, every man have a cup, every man have a bucket. They say, now go really feel them somewhere. You know the mighty up to us. So they say they down there. So they say that. You know the one for what you know. Don't you know? So they say,
took out one and passed your house. Late last night, all the shades were open down. Way downtown, from within the dim light bands.
the silhouette was
Oh, I love you. God, your name.
So music nice, you're gonna play them twice, I'm saying the word recognize in the dance song. What did the Paul leaders when they praise? It's got all that poem and I rap and them sing, hey, you know,
Took a walk and passed your house.
the lady,
Late last night, all the shades were pulled down. Way downtown, from within the dim light bands, your silhouette on the shade. Oh, I feel love you.
we got
Silhouette, 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 silhouette.
Big up all the fans them on TikTok, seeing wherever you lot are. Big up all the fans them from my YouTube channel, seeing blessed wherever one is. See? Just enjoy the music and enjoy the scene. See? Alright.
Silhouette, silhouette style. Put its arms around your waist and held you tight. Kiss it.
Them say respect is a thing we carry far through the world, and that's what we full of. What heap of respect. So respect due to everyone, see?
This I will almost days in the night, wondering why I'm not the man who silhouettes on the stage. I will dry the tears in my eyes. Silhouette, 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 time. Silhouette, 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 time.
What is it that's big of yourself?
It's true.
Now hear this.
Old town talking about
How they say you right.
when you die, you're flying high in your single world. But you wanna be, but you wanna be,
So true.
you're gonna leave me, darling.
Let it don't be. Whatever the thing. Watch it, God.
Fast,
Please
boy.
stop your lying.
Come on fast.
And speak the truth.
If you don't look like God, telling you no. Every night you're on the beat with another guy, and the poor guy works so hard to make
Wake up the little poetry. You know, East Land down there, one. What that catches for the other. Hold it for selector. So what?
It's been a long time since I've been away.
Yeah, man, we are sure the truth, man. Them music and them style. Yeah. Welcome to Jamaican Delight. See? Yeah, man. Where everything is nice and right.
And I am longing to see her again. But you wanna leave me,
What's
you
it
wanna
gonna be?
leave me, you're gonna leave me, darling.
And it won't be. Rocksteady style. What up?
If you got to feel it, you've got to be clean. You got to make it straight, you can't be mean. Share the joy, togetherness can bring. To the true soul, you just have to bring. And then you will feel the feel, you
got the
soul.
What big up and look on the outskirts? Make music and rate and shoot down the gate and I'm coming.
Baby, I'm not joking.
It's not what I'm smoking.
I really think you're nice. Don't think I'm kidding you, and don't think I'm being
That's the lesson that know the good of my boy and some man being forward. It doesn't know. It's all about the world of Martin School Love is here. To please, you understand? So when you say pull up, you don't know. And some of the things, you understand? So what's again?
Baby, I'm not joking. It's not what I'm smoking. I really think you're nice. Don't think I'm kidding you, and don't think I'm kidding. If silver words are your price, but all if you can see, oh yeah, the change you made in me, like the angels in the skies, were envious and surprised that anyone as nice as you would sense with me.
What was the rest of the get bones?
Sense with me.
What is the partner and other people are checking right now?
Baby, I'm not joking. It's not what I'm smoking. I really think you're mine.
Oh, no.
Don't think I'm kidding you.
What is the attention from the guy, please?
Kidding. If silver words are your price, and go if you can see, oh yeah, the change you made in me, like the angels in the skies, were envious and surprised that everyone as nice as you would sense with me, and all that would sense with me.
Good boy, that silent is gonna hold up for your girl.
Sense with me.
How in the world of Martin so now we play something right now. We have to play it to authentic reggae music. You understand? So right about now this one goes out to all the crew that go and support the bar to the fullest. You understand? Big up the man who say there with your girl. The soul and playing girl and the Swiss guy in her ears and tell her. How is this? Feel it time. You know the name on song up here, right?
Science and the ultimate. Science and the
What is the partner for anyway? Skill out the tree. What was the error that way? What this one goes out to all the ladies that don't say truth to relationship? You're loyal. Yeah, you wanna come from far. A movie star.
Science and the
I said I don't know. I don't know. Oh, she getting bad at night. As I pick my bags to leave, thought she would start to cry, baby. You know why? She around my room and we, oh yeah. The younger she fooled in this line, yeah. You don't need to let the bread and dry. I was the last thing. We call it the ride. What is it? Start all over again. Baby, can't change my mind, yeah. And I put these steps towards an open door, knowing all the time, Lord, I didn't want to go. She didn't give me a sign. I tell you,
When you turn and you walk, it hurts me so. Said it hurts me so. When you look at me and you say goodbye, you make me cry. Said you made me cry.
Let me stand and just got move the butt, lift the mount to the bar.
So listen to me when I say to you,
So break it down. He's
I cannot let you go now, for my love is strong. My love is so strong. My love is so strong. So listen to me while I say to you,
so break it down.
it's hard to do.
Break it down. Well, that's what I do to your party, man. Nothing rush, no rush. You understand? I don't know the two words out there. So you know, so the party I got nice tonight. I swear, in real life. You know what I'm saying? When you don't know me, I play a couple more because I don't know what they do on the whole hour lane. You understand? To the metro media. So it's something God. Jabo.
Tonight, while you're there, you remember all the things that I taught you. You will be there by yourself, playing the music on the things that I taught you.
I want some dumplings. Three out there. I need one.
Let me say to you. But let them talk like that I bring to you.
You sheltered me from harm to war.
It can be long.
You gave my life to me.
It's the way free. You know the massive them say pull up, so I'm gonna stick it again, yeah, man. Can't tell them the party about the year, man. I dance.
You sheltered me from harm to war.
for the money where 35 and just get them first spring. You know what I mean? Like someone when they reach like 40 about 6 in real life. You know? So you see, all of them years are coming up the line, and that's what I used to see.
Hearing that sound is so easy to do, and that's what some love's gonna do to you. It is not good for you to test this sound. Stone like sound is gonna show you down. When you find that sound that is good to you, a sound that will get what you want it to. I said it's not good for you to test this sound. It doesn't pay for you to hang around. Stone love sound, a number one sound. Just take these things away and set stone love free. Everybody have to come back, bitch, and we all agree. Don't wanna be a slave, I don't wanna be no more. And I'd rather dig my grave than be locked behind the door. Well, I'd love people, I wanna help myself be an sound. I don't want no DJ sound, always playing around. Whether you're black, whether you're white, I don't give a damn, I just want to be alright. Yeah, yeah. Bring them away and set me free. Well, alright, my band, just go down for the verticals. Please give us helping and a job. You got all of us together. If we are straying and straying, we find ourselves in each other.
you've done all you've done. Teach them, tell them, show them. That's what we need. Everybody, from vice versa, to all the hungry. Vice versa, to all the rejects. Vice versa. Check. This one is a good morning to all our people today. Good dog. Zaire to you get that try to go over there every year. And the place on the spot. You understand? Think about our people in the door, so you just check it. See, don't know yes over there every year when I drive. Bring in the Christmas and bring in the New Year. You see it? So think about our people in the check it primarily and think about who does reach. They don't know. It's a good look. Promote a big dance, they don't know much you need them to the builder here, so they know the stuff good. You understand? Think about sound and think about promoter. But right about now, you don't know what to say. I'm going to play some nice, I'm going to go and enjoy myself, I'm going to go and drink some liquor and all that vibe. So right now, the structure of my pop with him is a road. Tonight, jump up, you know the party I said. If you feel like singing, don't sing along. Remember, man to man is sing like we're louder. Yeah, don't know. Your worst enemy and your best friend, your enemy. Big of all who the son of the deal with. Love to the heart and deal with. Each one teach one, so remember. Lionel told you know what?
Love and hate can never be friends.
It's all about the retro style. You know that part here?
Oh no.
Wanna watch girl, that part or what? So wanna watch it girl. Let me take all right. Girl.
Come with love and not hatred.
Sit down, say hi.
Surely goodness and mercy shall arise. If be no one,
Pick up time, clean out with people in that place. You know what I just say, change Jesus in that complex, the 18 tricky. Shut up! I miss it, oh yeah. I miss it, people past the children. What that part you go? My baby's anointed. Alive.
surely goodness and mercy shall arise.
London told.
This one I mean.
This one you out there already.
If you have your lunch and feel like the job done free, a bad man can't stay there. I'm going to say I'm clean, put 5 fingers in the air and salute the Almighty. Answer. If you want to see the king face, make sure.
Can't afford to let my
You know, I tell you.
whenever just and comes to and my sister's the wrong.
You know.
Why did you deny it?
Oh, yes.
If you love finding the
I'm in sin.
giving in the answer.
I read some of them, so you know what? Do you remember? Big up to all the real dance on Patreon. Let me call the vibes now. A man say pull up again. Touch me that party, man. Who there this evening? Right now the party, then get the sense up the drink. I saw that party yourself. Drink and bounce. Yeah, man. What now? I tell you. Right now, big man, we're going straight up in that place. We don't miss the party, yo. You know, we don't look at it morning, come on. I tell you. So on. Yes, sir. Big dog. Somebody says, I feel the man of the Almighty. I tell you. Super. Right about now, big up turn on support the Barnes and Speed. Big up turn on, rock and find your favorite spot. In the meantime, we bring to you. The young people that now go to know them song, yeah. Oh, you wake up. Big up. And they say, all I'm producing one more time in our line. Big up to all them that support the Barnes and Speed. Think I'm gonna feel it, lick out with the team, everything. I tell you. You know they're the mountains, stone over that place. 43 I'm going. Here we go. Think of all of the British running in that place. I see it. here. Big Randy all the way said.
Yeah, I just never before don't think I'm gonna tell you that.
Yeah, but then I do a photo.
I tell you.
Yeah, the four years before gone, I just want to be
Pop off the fly.
one point. You know, I just pull that back.
London told. Sacrificing the fire. You don't record the different way that's on it. Take that right. I'm sitting, rock and cooking, I'm sitting, rock and cooking. You know. Something said that I'm survivor. I'm sitting, yeah. Something said. Silent, you would have taken the baseline, the power of God, you would have come over the board, you can't play the machine. See, they don't know the thing though. They know only for millions there, they know the road, turn up till January. Say it so, just stop with the baseline, road.
If you like the rock, for the skills, got every day. We'll stop and make a hit like that. But I think don't make a mistake.
No, inside, walk with it in. Yeah, no way.
I like the line of DJ in the dog. I like the line of challenge in the dog. Something on the nice up for the dog. We have a nice up for the time around town. And it's so crazy. This is what we're doing.
Think about the church home family.
It make them see that dancing. Ain't no wrong with that. Breakdown with the breakdown. This is the operation. 5 double EPL 6 feet down. This is the top sweet down. See that shit? I'm with the equal chamber. Watch out, my play, don't play. I never tear off the game. I'm up to 7 million captain dancing. Play for the vibe and keep them alive. Play this coming.
Think about getting it on that place.
I'ma play LP, say them really love me. They love the joke and scream, but if that ain't time, I just look. Bim, get it. Bim, get it. Bim, get it. Say me now let me be done. You say me now let me be done. Good it, but you watching on the phone. Now we be singing.
Yeah, go back to my
You fun.
Big
Yeah,
area.
they could tell I couldn't start to make it on. The other time, but I think you make it on.
I said that. Big about getting it on that place. Big about British friend in that complex likewise. Back to the bounce and speed. When music gets so feet no pain. Kick off. Wait a minute on the money. Alright, go. Hey, the general, big up yourself. Come here, get up, book a big up.
He said me love her, give me virgin.
Come now.
He said me love her, give me virgin. That's all. He really love her so.
Jano.
He really love her so.
What up? We are busy with the
Walk and walk.
Sometimes they come in a dance and all about the new something.
Virgin.
Sometimes you just gotta relax your brain, relax your mind, sit for your little while of vibes. And it's just something like that.
When there's a rush me, when there's a rush me,
The woman in my life. More music, let's start. Get do it. I'm still there.
you know one of them walk like
Yes, love was thrilling. Obviously, I got to. Oh, only jealousy. Just a flash from the ground. Again, I got to love for everyone. Somebody say. The party is alive. While the gods are there whining, the reward and tripping. What up, bring back some style. With Genius. Partner. And in the air that I miss it. And that mix. I feel like I play one new critics. We're not going straight for the thing. But me show you dance are really bad.
What if you know I'm saying anyway? You know I'm saying anyway with the phone.
Listen to the mixer.
I think they might be coming. You don't really get a lot of them.
They know random style. They already know. Sweet time. What up for them, yeah, man? Brand new. We're going to sing a memory lane. What's up with you? In the place Spanish Lionel Junior. Spanish Chronics in the party talk now. Spanish well, I said, come on, some days are anti-federation. Shit, periods and culture play by nice stations. Yeah, you're letting out you, them and I want to promote. I really do, you see the dance, I'm not going to stay town original. I'm the nigga, say, cut over Spanish town hospital. So me know my name, and the Spanish town original. I'm a good one, you can make the Spanish town original. I'm a granny name, take the Spanish town original. Them call and stick a cause she don't know. See a grandson, can it such a field marshal? If I dance at school, we are the principal. Do you remember Lionel John? Long time out of class, I look it. Let me burn come back to them and I look it. I said, I'm out of class, I look. And you said, come back. Father, we much about so Jesus, I want us to go on to the bus some early and some place play. No matter what they say, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh, you can never hold. Give me Jaja, you can never hold that. Give me Jaja, you can never see the rainbow. You can never watch the sun the diamonds. You can have all those pretty girls in this world, wide world, but I never wanna be young. No matter what they do, whatever gonna get you. I'm gonna tell you something like that, John. Don't get lost in it. I have some people who do a straight up thing like that. Don't get lost in the system, yeah? Just don't let it centralize your people because fucking in there. It's still malicious and grudge up on the people, you know? It's still not lifestyle. There's no team in the system. Please stay correct all around.
Small one, yeah. Alright, listen, are you gonna get your remote now?
What's the voltage, yeah? You want praise, this is a country. Oh, it's a promotion, you know. Rasta Billy is a foundation Rasta man of the name. The important thing. I am man and so we say, yo, blah, 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 blah. Then they say, no one knows what the thing said. So the part of singers will play for the next 30 minutes. Jazzy and Kino style. We have to dedicate to all the people who know say, either themselves them know so the man is free. And then they say to a night barracks, you know, last year never there, but it's not area. I want to be able to think proper. Come. Billy! With all respect. This one. Oh, at Christmas, them say, don't it? Big up part 3 now, tonight. Hey, remember, big up to them. Rich and the father, big up. He's a calling. I'm coming from about a candy cup family in that place. Big up. Give me standing. Face all the day. Carry on night, carry on night. Give me standing. Back to them. December month, nobody get crazy. Be a party, man. All the good friend Cockatoo, big up, respect and rocky pie, ported number. Or the service, so that's it. We don't know what the bars are like place, I know the year-to-year thing, so you never know. All I want, you know, you have to give thanks and praise, no matter what. Father Billy, original Rasta Billy. Respect for the eyes and eyes and eyes.
Oh, Father, what is Zion? You will find some job today in the prayer.
All the real party people will be a party. Big up yourself. No matter how much party or party,
Oh, yeah, yeah. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
yes, I.
Make it new to life and green grass.
Oh, them last.
Oh, Father, what is Zion? You will find some job today in the prayer. Let's sit for Thanksgiving. Father, we thank you for all that you've done and for what you're doing now. Oh, yeah, yeah. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. They get me to like breathe faster. Immediately me beside the still water.
Watch it. Things don't make my soul.
Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Everything you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes a lover, though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Everything you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes a lover, though you're glad. Little children love you well. No one wonders tells you tell. Love to watch it go and go. In the times will ebb and flow.
Is it tonight?
Yeah, no one wants.
Soon the party and the shadow of death. Big up all the man able to come and come and do the voice, especially come support the party. Big up all the people who knows they come on the party and your heart clean. You don't have nothing against somebody about you. That's what I'm talking about.
All the enemies of Jah, and know that the Lord God the Almighty shall rule the earth. Jah, Rastafari.
Oh,
Oh, let God arise, let his enemies be scattered. Let them ask for hatred and flee before him. All the enemies of Jah, know that the Lord God the Almighty shall rule the earth.
Son of management.
Oh, let God arise, let his enemies be scattered. Let them ask for hatred and flee before him. As smoke is driven away, so drive them away. What's meant to be for the fire, so they can worship the Son of God. Oh, let the righteous be glad. Let them rejoice before God. Yes, let them exceedingly rejoice. Sing unto God, sing praises to his name, extol him that rideth on the heavens. By his name, Jah, Rastafari, Haile Selassie I. Your fathers told the believer when nothing rules and reigns over all these things. The father of the fatherless, and the judge of the widows, is God in his holy habitation. God set up a solitary families. He breathed out those which are bound with chains. Of the rebellious dwell in Jerusalem. Oh God, the Rastafari, Selassie, on the strength of the wind, the wind is poured before thy feet. When thou did march through the wilderness sea, the earth shook, the heavens also dropped in the presence of God.
Righteous nation. Easy. Righteousness exaltation. Where the righteous, I've been in thinking. Where the Martin and I married you. One up next to no Jesse Genius. Bigger. Sexy man the rose to pick up that party, yeah? Rest family. Blenington and there. Holly. Parties and I'm all a drink out there. I know the rest of the day the rhythm party, so we're not getting frightened, we're not getting scared, let's come and play. Someone got 44 years around the party story, we understand it, don't they? Don't twist my mind, to them I be all, and them not happy at all. I would say no, say no, go on the summer, no, the summer, the summer play, don't. Alright, what about it? What about it? What about it? People say no, welcome, when they eat and I'm moving to jump down, I'm going to right when I said, rocket pipe get to know. You know reach it. If it's not a religion, what does the sign of bring down the kingdom? You think I'll have it down? Oh, no, no, have it at all. Churches in a green stone, I know. Our Michelle Town family, big up my place, yes, with them family. I'll take the process and do it. Alright, good. And we shall be doing the party. Some dirty old people in the party, so. Every year they kick a party, stole on the panic. But some people come and dirty man and them dirty artists, say, I like to see that man. That man said, I'm going to get whistle for us. Keep the read. That man said, they pour them sea garden. They see the that's why they're always so. Who take it as a gift, and not the devil. And then this world will become the devil. And the great Vatican 24/7. And no Lord and my brother in the earth and the heaven. I'm on the sunshine. 7 to 7. I see your questions from where you're geography. Partner and say, all of the pin family that play, speak up yourself, respect up there. eating them. Get to my people there. Oh, I'm in bondage, living is a mess. And I'm not to rise up, alleviate the stress. No longer will I expose my weakness. Signal it, begins with what the person. Won't trouble to separate everything penniless. And if you don't want it, time on my back. Jesse, tell you about the party later, you have holy power, you know. Yeah? But easiest thing, walk over, back up and catch, don't you? Run it again and do this. Seems like I've been wasted, eh? Out there, party promoter in that place, right? You know, Sunday night I'm not come. Early morning, soon up in Ireland. Yes, always be the best. There's no life. I don't want to let that so I can set there and stand there. This is the best. I'm the best. I can express. Check this way, African best. Oh, I'm in bondage. Living is a mess. And I'm not to rise up. Alleviate the stress. No longer will I expose my weakness. Using knowledge begins the government. Won't trouble to separate. Shopping penniless. Don't want it, time will master God. I'm watching them payment the car. And I put you on them say, what? Now wait, I'll princess. Till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be the first. There's no life in the west. I never them in the best.
Curry chicken.
Hear me now. Father Billy one more time. That's the big one. And the people who turn out from early out on the party, I was say tonight, a rupture. So I say, not saying no later on, down there was in the book map and the rock in the sky and everything like. But I make sure me done soon up on the party, you know, you do you over there. So, Billy, and the whole family will also big up with that and say, but right now, Gino, see me now, take it back to the retro style, you know. That's what the king said. Big people in that place, and they are same way. Take up family. I will set some of the man them out in that place. Dig up. Alright, this is a party I've been in retro. You're sexy, 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 baby. Walk it up, say your tears. Outspoken away yourself from there. Yeah, now there's a production of one Bites called Aaron Duckney. What's up, my man like Peter Johnny? Out of London, and then I put a stick up in them. Rock it back, go, let that drum. They have a party. Big up, over the years, the original Portland Catching family. So in the meantime, Genius, not a place up early. Respect the youth and there. Still it and all these things. So, yeah, me know. Genius, yeah, me know. No, man, no, my part. I can give it extra. I can give it extra. Please, the Margie, big up yourself. You understand? Reaching out the foundation. Father skill and big up yourself, you know what I mean? Big up the whole promotion team. Father Billy, big up yourself. Big up the whole Clarendon clique. You know what I'm saying? They which come come from to squad big up there themselves. You know what I mean? You don't know over there, you know. You don't know a red shirt party, so we do it every year, you know. We don't have nowhere to go. You understand? And the world sound I play right now, you don't know, make sure be that the LTO sound there. So you don't know what I'm nothing for proof. You understand? Sense come to God. What is the Margie? First I ever played them song, no?
Took out walking past your house. Late last night, all the shades were put their drawn. Way downtown, from within the dim light lights, the silhouettes passing. Oh, I love you. Silhouettes, silhouettes.
So music nice, we're gonna play them 27 song and we're recognizing a dance song. What did the Paul leaders when I play?
Silhouettes.
So all up on them and I rap on them song. Here we go.
Took out walking past your house. Late last night, all the shades were put their drawn. Way downtown, from within the dim light lights, the silhouettes of the shade. Oh, I still love you. Without your baby. Silhouettes, silhouettes, silhouettes. Put his arms around your waist and held you tight. Kisses I could almost taste in the night, wondering why I'm not the man whose silhouette
What did the ball up on the outside? They music and rate and shut down the gate when I'm coming.
Baby, I'm not joking.
It's not what I'm smoking.
I really think you're nice. Don't think I'm kidding you, and don't think I'm kidding. With silver words on your price,
Something said it again.
but oh, if you can see, oh yeah, the change you made in me. Now the angels in the skies are envious and surprised.
That's the last thing I'm doing. The incredible boy and some man being forward. You don't know. It's all about the world. Martin Stone of is here. To please, you understand? So when you say pull up, you don't know. And some of the things you understand. So once again.
Baby, I'm not joking. It's not what I'm smoking. I really think you're nice. Don't think I'm kidding you, and don't think I'm kidding. With silver words on your price. But oh, if you can see, oh yeah, the change you made in me. Now the angels in the skies were envious and surprised that anyone as nice as you would sense with me.
What is the direction to get bold?
Sense with me.
What big a part of a lot of people are checking right now?
Baby, I'm not joking. It's not what I'm smoking. I really think you're mine.
Oh, no.
Don't think I'm kidding you.
What big the attention family man, please?
All of it. All of it, we end up going through the same process. So we get young, when we get older. Yeah. I want to bless up on yourself, man. We just kind of busy and doing a little bit of washing up, you know. So, just tear up, tear up.
And oh, if you can see, oh yeah, the change you made in me. Now the angels in the skies were envious and surprised that anyone as nice as you would sense with me. And all that sense with me.
Don't want them to say they just got one up by a girl.
Sense with me.
How in the world of Martin sound now, we'll play something right now. We have to play it to authentic reggae music. You understand? So, right about now, this one goes out to all the crew them and support the boy to the fullest. You understand? Big up the man who say there with a girl. With a soul and playing girl and just whispering the lyrics after that.
You see how some work tonight.
Now hear this! You know the lemon sound up here, right? one goes up to all the ladies that don't say true to relationship. You're loyal. Yeah, you wanna come from far. A movie star. I said I don't know. I don't know. Yeah.
what I say to you.
So break it down, please.
I cannot let you go now, for my love is strong. My love is so strong. My love is so strong. So listen to me while I say to you.
So break it down.
It's hard to do.
Break it down.
It's hard to do. If you ever been loved.
Well, let's get to the MCA party, man. Not the move, not the rush, no rush. You understand? They don't know the two words out there. So you know, so the party I got nice tonight. I swear, in a real life. You know what I say? Well, you don't know me, I'm playing Papa Mouth, and you don't know what they put the whole hour late. You understand? So they make sure be there. So it's something God. Jano.
While you're there, you remember all the things that I taught you to do. You will be there by yourself when you're missing all the things that I taught you to do. Tonight I feel always all the feelings in my
Let me say true. But like them talk line that I bring to you.
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me,
Set me free. You know the massive them say pull up, so I'm gonna stick it again there, man. Yeah, tell them the party about it. I dance.
you sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me,
I did.
set me free.
I said it set me free.
The finest cheese I ever knew is all the years.
What the mother must say, stand by your gun side.
I will defend. I own
Where I go get all
my life, my heart, my own. And I would defend. go and taking it all for granted.
What is the moment you skip that?
And one day someone takes them away, and you don't.
Yeah, I heard they say. If I were to give all my life, that's not me playing on that serious. Now when you have to the man that were 35 and just get them first break. You know what I mean? I have someone that when them reach on 40 them have sex, you know. In a real life, you know. So you see, all of them years are coming up the line, and that's what I used to sing.
Once upon a time, I almost lost my mind. I was
Hey, listen, that party and the reach nowhere yet. Ready? Hey.
once upon a time, I almost lost my mind. I was lonely.
Somebody say,
I was lonely.
give me the mama girl.
Once upon
Ali
a
Khan,
time.
episode.
Hoping every day things would come my way. I was lonely. I was lonely. Once upon a time,
Only two to go, make some media.
I never knew what love could do. I was lonely. I was lonely.
Clarinet, can I play my first one? Yeah, the first one.
Killing my sound is so easy to do, and that's what strong love's gonna do to you. It is not good for you to test the sound. Strong love sound is gonna show you down when you find a sound that is good to you.
Yeah, man.
A sound that will play what you want it to. I said it's not good for you to test this sound. It doesn't pay for you to hang around. Stone Love Sound, the number one sound. Just take these strings away and set Stone Love free. When we feel to match it, and we will all agree. To have been a slave, I don't wanna be no more. And I'd rather dig my grave than be locked behind the door.
Well, I love people.
I wanna hate myself, be an independent sound. I don't want no idiot song always playing around. Whether you're black, whether you are white, I don't give a damn. I just want to be alright. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Take them away and set me free.
Well, all right, my man, just go hold on for the radio class.
Please give us help me and no job. God, all are my foot soldiers. What we need is love. And what we need, everybody, one fancy mercy love. Do all fancy mercy love. Come on and get some. Fancy mercy love. Come on and get it. Fancy mercy love. Do all the boys. Put down all your guns. The only solution we need is love. Love for everyone. Mothers, still your daughters. Fathers, please stay yourself. Just warn them, teach them, tell them, show them that what we need. Everybody, fancy mercy love. Do all the angry. Fancy mercy love. Do all the rejects. Fancy mercy There's a natural mystic. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This could be the first prospect. I could tell you many more will have to die. Them crazy. Just those crazy falling the time. A higher night builder. A higher night. Didn't my people before me slave on this peace? Now you look me with that scorn, then you heat up all my corn. We're gonna chase them. I'm not tired, listen.
Check. Just want to say good morning to all our people over there. Don't know. It's a youth event at 3rd year and over there here. And the place at the spot. You understand? Think about 9 people over there, so you just check it. See it. You don't know you saw them here all a joy. Bring in the Christmas and bring in the New Year. You see it? So think about 9 people over check it from early up. Think about who just reach. You don't know. It's a good look. Promote a big dance. If you don't know, make sure you down to the builder area. So you know the song go. You understand? Big about song and big about promoter. But right about now, you don't know what to say. I'm going to play some nice. I'm going to go enjoy myself. I'm going to go and drink some liquor and all that vibe. So right now, the touch down now. Back with them. So roll. Tonight, jump up. You know the party I said. If you feel like singing, sing along. Remember,
Man to man is
sing like we're louder.
yeah, don't know. Your worst enemy and your best friend.
deal with. Each one teach one, so remember. Lionel Tone, you know what?
Love and hate can never be friends.
It's all about the retro style. You know that part here?
Oh no.
When I watch girl, that bar one. So when I watch a girl, let me take her alright. Real.
Come with love and my daydream.
Sit down, sit down.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow all if be no one.
Big up to our clean-hearted people in that place. You know what I just said, you know, so that complex, the 18 tricky. Step up! I'm in say, oh, yeah. I'm in say, people pass the shit. On that part you go. My baby's anointed. Alive.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow.
Lionel Tone. If you have your lights on, feel like Tony Chan, don't fret. Cause Batman can't stay there. I don't see how clean, put 5 fingers in the air and salute the Almighty. Answer. If you want to see the king face, make sure.
Can't afford to let my
You know, I tell you.
just and crowns and matches for the road.
You know.
What part is it that you?
Oh, yes.
My people are crying me out. On the Father,
I'm in say,
living now.
I read everything, you say you want. Do you remember? Big up to our real dance on Patreon. Let me call the lines now. I'm on to pull up again. Don't you look at that party, man. Don't try to see me. Right now the party didn't get the sense of the drink. I saw that party, I said. Drink and bones. I'll tell you. Right now, big man, I'm going to scroll up in that place. You know, mess up the party, yo. You know, when you're putting morning, come out. Super! I'll tell you. Super! Listen. Big up. Somebody says, I feel no man but the Almighty. I'll tell you. Super! Right about now, big up turn on support the Barnes and Speed. Big up turn on record and find your favorite spot. In the meantime, we bring to you. The young people, they're not going to know them song, yeah. Oh, you big up. Big up. I'm saying, all I'm putting a second more time in our line. Big up to all them on the best support the Barnes and Speed. Take down to the favorite liquor on the table. Let me take it. I tell you. You know the early mountain stone over that place. Party trigger going. Here we go. Big up all of the British friend over that place. I see it. rush nobody to get them put on in. Wow. To those who work hard for it, you never hear. My granny always said, oh yes, I tell you, mark of the flying man. Do it now. Line and toe. You don't know Corner never played that song. Take that right. I'm in sitting, I'm in sitting. Rock and cooking, I'm in sitting, rock and cooking. You know. Something said that I'm survivor. Oh, it's a yeah. Big job. Something said pull up. Silent, you would have told them that this line, the guy you want to go, you don't have to come and go, they can't play the machine. See, they don't know the thing go. They don't hold it for millions there. They know the road turn up till January. See it so, just don't know the bass line, road. No worry, son, walk with it here. Yeah, no Think about the church home for me. Think about carrying it on that piece. You go back, man. Big area, man. I say that. Big about carrying it on that place. Big about British friend of that complex like Christ. Rock to the rise and speed. When music it's a thing, no pain. It comes. Wait a minute, all the money. All right, good. Hey, General, big up yourself. Come here, give a book a big up. Come down. Jano. What up? We have this here already. Sure. Something they come in a dance and about the new something. Something just can relax your brain, relax your mind, sit for your liquor with a vibes. And it's something like that there. The woman in her life. More music, let's start it. place. Oh yes, well it's a good I never be a lover's race. I miss it, I got to love. Oh, only jealousy, just a passion we cry. Oh my, again, I got to love for everyone. Oh yes. Someone just said, some call it Spanish down in a prison. Who knows? Some call it Spanish down in a prison. Wow! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! How? And it's a cool and deadly. How? The party is alive. While the dogs are them whining. How? The room bar them tripping. What I know? Bring back some style. With Genius. What a cool and deadly. Talk now. And in the ear that I keep fashion. I miss it. And that I mix. Wine slowly that I I feel like just play one new critics. Me not go straight for the thing. But me I show you a dancer really bad. Listen to that credit sound. Credit show them say no dancer, they know Rodham style. Hey, credit already know. Sweet time. What up, forget there, man? Brand new. Right now, the second memory lane. Got time, go through. Spanish town, Lionel Tony. Spanish town. Chronic in the party talk now. Spanish town, my phone, not a woman from the looking on my face, you see a elevation. Well, I said, come on, some days of anti-federation. Strictly roots and culture play by nice stations. Yeah, you're letting all you them and I want to promote a real dance to the dance from my leg. Staying town original. I'm in the music out of a Spanish town hospital. To me, mama name and a Spanish town original. I'm a group on it and it is Spanish town original. I'm a granny name Peggy Spanish town original. Them call us stick up cause she don't know. See a grandson and it's such a field marshal. If I dance at school, we are the principal. Do you remember? Lionel Town. Long time out of plastic and look it. Every girl come back to say man and look it. I tell ya. Out of plastic and look it. I miss it come back.
I don't know why Darren's going out with the high school boy. They're like dogs. You have to clean them and feed them, and they're just like these nervous creatures that jump and slobber all over you. Ew! Get off of me! Ugh, that's it!
Silver trim, very designer.
Pushes my buttons.
Really? Good off ears, if you ask me.
I may be showroom fresh from Hughes, but I can hear, you know. I'm a 1400 RPM smart washing machine with Wi-Fi connectivity.
Okay.
Steam technology for stubborn wrinkles and intelligent fabric detection.
That's nice.
For superior garment care.
Put a sock in it, will you?
Yes, please.
Hughes, at the heart of home life.
Really, really love, yeah. God knows I'm in love. Would you betray? Now me can't find it again. But even though me can't find a replacement, I just hold on for this statement. Don't make me feel uncontent. Well, I'll tell you, when I get the chance to break me heart, don't time I really love you. I really love you. Jah know say me love you. Yes, girl, you might get the chance to diss me 2 times. You might get the chance to commit that the crime. Now me love you. You kill me, I love you. Even though they say my love got you displayed. This night I'm love like a big bad boy. This morning looking good in your clothes, hurt me up. See my heart full of love, same way. But me a love it out same way. I just want to love you and me cry and me burn. Tell you this with a purpose.
I don't know why Dan's going out with a high school boy. They're like dogs. You have to clean them and feed them. They're just like these nervous creatures that jump and slobber all over you. Ew! Get off of me! Ugh, that's it!
Easy to navigate and easy on the eyes? Easy. Turn to talented freelancers on Fiverr for top-notch website, app, and UX design that check all the boxes. Start now.
You can break my heart, you don't know. Even though me love you till the blind. Me a want me a whole life and me purpose and never. Me love me so much, yeah. See when you girl. You can break my heart, you don't break me heart, you don't know. Even though I say I love you, like it flies. Get the chance to diss me 2 times, and I get the chance to come to you again. I know I love you. You're breaking, you're breaking. We have to pick up the same kind of food. We are a friend, yeah. They try to break me, yeah. They try to steer me apart. Can't never do you, but got the chance, yeah, yeah. Baby, love myself more than love. Love myself more than love. And anything that make me so weak, I stay far from. Yeah. Get back to me music, get back to me purpose. Boy, oh, you can break me. You can
creatures that jump and slobber all over you. Ew! Off of me! Ugh, that's it!
The UK's fastest broadband speeds from any major provider have landed. Experience next level gaming with high speed and low latency. It's game on.
Grammarly has been in the AI game for over 14 years now, and there's a reason why they've stuck around for so long. Grammarly is like a patient writing coach and editor, always there to give you suggestions and feedback and fix those annoying typos. Over 96% of their paying users say that it improves their writing dramatically. I found all sorts of uses for Grammarly in my business over the years, from writing social media captions to team memos to brainstorming YouTube script ideas. Grammarly can anticipate readers' questions and ask you to address them as you write. It can coach you on the proper tone of use depending on who you're writing to, so be sure to sign up for free and upgrade to Pro.
we shot a little bit and I feel good to go last night. Really shot. Really work promotion. Keep going. One of the markers off our one of the target posts them comes out of the team or that can't reach me. I'm not saying what I care for what happens. Care for my foundation is all the time. So care for what? And the one of the man them know each other, them bond, especially them bond and grow. Whenever you bond, they bond and grow, they can know each other. Until all the people that continue. So what can I go? You hear about Jeff, you know, Jean. Until at the time they're on the side, on the other side. Yeah, Jean. This is key, you know, we have to come up the road. And I said, what you got to do is rush you and mash it all over and chop it off 5 months. We did listen on the telephone, they shop those and you go up with your family, them there, you think they have to butcher them and I said, yeah. Then it's like in drops and I said, yeah, start it, maybe get one thing and take him to hospital. Yeah, but then after now, we realize they must say, don't talk about the finger come off. And thing now, so then go out there and realize what going on. Like the way we did, like that, then go around and fuck up on the road. So now we come up the road and lay with like that. And then I still them see what come from down the road and come up. So this guy is like the kind of skinny spot where I go on. The only thing you go hold up the man, the black it, and then you walk away and chop off the big finger.
Jeez. So okay.
So, yeah.
Then Holland.
Yeah, man. So, right, that's where everything gets tricky.
Problem.
Yeah. When you check our stock now, the thing over there, they got the footstep fast, like running, drying like that now, and then I go and speak and find a mask and goes drying like that, and I observe that some people have some light and maybe them kids, so they can see it right. You know, about 15, 20 months around, but we can't make out none of them. None of them we can't make out, nobody we can't make out, so about we hear it.
They don't pass you, they don't pass here.
Yeah, when we there, come there, and
Also, like from somebody.
yeah, come from up the road.
Sounds like a police yard, you know.
So, when we check our stop now, we realize the road going out. So, we see you and then come up with it. Become, help deal with the situation. It's like, some man then, kind of mix up because my virgin never get tangled up in the situation. And then, you know, and succeed and come up. One, some rushing or something, some money, so I know the man, you don't realize everything like that.
Okay.
And then I know the things.
No, it's missing out there.
No, I'm not missing what. It's like I'm missing what. You see what I go on. Yeah. So, yeah, then bring some singing and come up there. And then, some people think, wow,
See me when they come fix up the situation.
yeah, but they end up around cars, obviously. But then also they don't know. The whole place dark. So they don't know. They just a road with boom.
They lose a friend points.
Yeah, man.
They don't pay for.
And the dark place. some little gap on some little thing part of the road. You don't know the fucking road that the moon not shine. The road and your foot are slip between my legs gap there. Yeah, I'm gonna have really the place to go to that. Going through some bush up there at night, some traffic. Sometimes you sit back and you think to another and I say, I'm gonna drop now at all. Just fly up and just go through. Yeah, do that in our you pop your foot on some stone and you can a tree and come back down the car. Narrow track with some tree or so and you have to run and go through and yeah.
The younger man, I think that.
Yeah, your first kid. Yeah, man, very first kid.
Something the boy do them that day, I don't know, you take free back now.
So my make 240 when I drop, never drop there. You really want to drop that beer stone. Everything is much more than this beer.
Yeah.
Everything drop that on the command door.
I don't have the same because they want to make
I'm
money.
going to break it through. Yeah, with my grandma sister. The past virgin. And I said, wait, because I can't move up and I said, no, and I learned the road with some few things to come up. Then I just move the clothes and some stuff now on my back of the shop there. And I'm going to make a bread up on the top of it. So the past happy now and so I went to come over and go and give me a car and they get chat with it. And I said, so that day they went there to see her, I got through with the bag and thing, and I said, no, I didn't do that day still. And I said, no, I knew it was something on that, I don't see her track.
Yeah.
You never look like saying that forward back.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, somewhere, yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's so good.
I didn't tell you that I'm going to say I'm going to
Yeah, man, that's nobody, you know them on the road and so rules, you know, just you know, man, different than anyone, man, movements. It's either you trust or you don't trust.
Yeah.
You have to do it and trust. You do it now, trust. It's like chess.
Chess.
It's like chess game or tree game. If you don't know the fucking play a tree game, you just jump on to it or you can run or something. You can play a tree game. But I said to my place in Moscow, like, Moscow, I don't know why now I'm glad I ain't there in Moscow. I hear it, said we do it, and I said, well, what the fuck are you doing? And then you hear it, look, 1 year or something. So I don't know, I don't know what they're doing, nobody have it from me. And then they put it up now, and I'm on something. Something is good, I don't know what to do. Look my other things, so pass the police station, and you stop on me there. Yeah, so we had to do so. Well, you're shooting last night when I heard him. I said, yeah, the fucking boy lucky, you escape. And you know you escape.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And for a couple shot, 3 policemen going jump.
Yeah.
And I said, look at the boy, they loaded, man. The police, I said, look like the boy, they loaded, but we have a car on him again. Yeah, you know, we might have like a brother would. When you see him there, like, you know, like.
I mean, they don't take him out after.
I want to see that they play football and some football match. We walk out and then see them. See me on third already, so I'm getting one. Investigate and realize a boss man I realize it's already here. So now people from the inside where now the politics side. We're actually there, we're chilling. I leave organized and all that.
What? Your thing, man.